drunken redneck running down the path. Oh, there's another tank. See this thing? Here we go. Oh, oh. Holy hell. What the hell? That dude just... Holy shit, he just left me laying here.
But how'd you get it though?
No, it's not mine. That's what I'm saying. It's just been sitting there, and I thought,
Are
well,
you FSA certified?
no, that's what I'm saying. You're not
Florida
listening
State?
to me.
You're
Hold
not
on.
Florida State administrated?
You're not listening to me. I
I
pulled
am
up.
listening. You're not listening to me.
No. Hector. Let's try to have a little damage. I mean, hell, you would think there's something around here. Good Lord, I mean, we got signs, we got Fort St. Oh, I don't really know if I want to go to the military base, though, people. I'll tell you what. Tonight I'm feeling froggy. Let's just see what happens. Let me get my shit together here and I'll get out of this stuff and I'll tell you what. I'm gonna focus here, people. Gonna focus. Focus. There we go. Focus. See if... Nope. Nope. Is there anybody here? Shit, ain't nobody here. Alright, here we go. Alright, here we go. Shit. Well. This is what's gonna happen. Oh shit, we got... Ooh, look at all them cars. We got goodness. I want to just steal one and get the hell out. No, I think we just want to see what happens here, people. I'm kind of, yeah, well, okay, let's see if there's anybody around. Shit, I hear aircraft. Oh, got a stop sign. Oh, let's stop. Yep, I stopped. It's awful quiet here. I mean, hell, you'd think a damn airbase would have shit. Some personnel. Oh, what is that? Is that a tank? Oh, I like the tank. I mean, somebody leaves a tank sitting. Oh, this, I saw it move up. Somebody in the tank? Can I get in the tank? Okay, I can't get in the tank. Evidently, I'm not qualified. Alright. Alright, so let's move on. Tank is not my thing, even though I would have loved to blow some shit up. Right now, you got a drunken redneck running down the path. Oh, there's another tank. See this thing? How you doing? Nope, he ain't saying nothing. I guess he's just patrolling. And I mean, you know, it's not too bad. It's not the best, but let's get the hell out of here. If I can figure out how to get the hell out of here. Shit, I thought I had a way out. Oh, shit. Alright, here we go. There you go. Alright, shit, I need to be... I'm just kind of cruising, people. I mean, good lord, I mean, what in the hell? Where am I at? I need to get the hell out of this place. I mean, I done stolen a damn car and shit, I need to go. I mean, nobody gives a shit. Oop. Yeah, let's be sensible. Let's go through the checkpoint. How you doing, buddy? Yeah, I'm just going out for some bologna and some cheese. Here we go. Have that. We're off. We're in the wind. Alright. Here we go. But let's... Okay. Let's be sensible. Better slow down. Oh, shit. Hector ain't gonna like that. Damn it. No, Timmy. No. No. Oh. Mother of all. Tell me that one. Oh, come here. Oh, come here. Biker dude. Come here, come here, come here. Come here, come here, come here. Come here. Come here. Shit. I would never thought that one little... Here we go. Oh, oh. Holy hell. What the hell? That dude just... Holy shit, he just left me laying here. Good lord. What an ass. I mean, that was like hit and run, and he said, hell no. Luckily, I keep a little medic kit with me, stuck in my ass, and because I know what it is about here. So here we go. Fat body eating Cheetos naked on a beanbag chair, but hopefully I'm in enough shape to... Oh, here we go. You know what? Yep. We're gonna steal that shit. Yeah, well, you went hiking and, sorry, buddy. When you come back, you're just gonna have to call the police. Yeah, it's not the best car in the world, but, you know what? She's clean. So far, I hadn't wrecked it. And, alright, there we go. We're back at it. Sorry, I had a moment of, oh shit. There's somebody out there. So we're going back up. Okay, here we go. Alright. Let's just kind of go in the back door here. Come around to the front. I don't know what this dude's doing, but... Alright, there we go. Alright, Hector. There you go, buddy. It's not a whole lot of, much, but, surely you can make some money off of it. I just need my usual, You know what I like? Let's go ahead and go up here and let's try it again. Let's see if it works. Oh, look at that, people. Holy hell. You just don't know how glad that makes me. I can refuel vehicles. What's don't really, not really, I'm kind of, no, let's go into Sandy and see what's going on. I do love this bike. I'm glad Hector keeps one of them for me. I mean, you know, I bring him some duds every now and then, but also bring him some high-priced vehicles, and that's all I ask. Keep this motorcycle ready for me, and throw me some little bit of money into my account here and there, and we are good. That's a good thing about Hector. He don't ask questions. Lee Hill. Oh shit, I missed that. Oh, well. Yep, I was talking and I missed that shit. Yeah, let's go on down. We'll take the long way. And I'll go cut across the median. With a white. Okay, I thought it was LEO, but it's just a Ram sitting here with nobody in it. I tell you what, like I said, you know, I'm gonna steal it just because I am that guy. And here we go. That's, oh, look at that. That is Ram. That is goodness here. Oh Lord, listen to that thing. Oh shit. Good Lord. A drunk shouldn't, sir. You shouldn't steal vehicles when you're drunk. Let's be nice. Good Lord, that thing sounds good. That has a Hemi. Just gonna kind of cruise on down here. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna take this shit in the back door here. And I'll tell you what, there we go. There you go, Hector. Look at that. She is nice. I mean, she's got the tow package. She's got all the good stuff. I expect some good payment on that one. Yeah, because, you know what? I'm an opportunist. I'm gonna take this shit and get the hell out of here. I'll go back to my motorcycle. Shit. Good Lord. I'll try to be the best we can. It was, yes. So take on. Park this little pig up right here. Cause it ain't worth nothing. We're gonna get back on our bike and see what we can do. Yeah, where you at? I know you're in the bush here. I know it's in the bush. It's right here. I know you are. Where did you go? Take that. Hector has a good ram. And let's see what else we can find. I love it. I have to do it now. Oh, we got to. Look at that. Oh, shit. Yeah. You just, I mean, people, you just have no idea. To know after all this time to be able to fuel up completely. What in the hell? We got a damn helicopter and what is? Looks like a Mustang. Nope, a Hellcat. And something else looks like a fucking Indy car. What in the hell is happening? Alright, here we go. We're hiding in the bush. I don't, I'll tell you what.
Whoa, wait, we can spawn helicopters?
Nope. I was just kind of having a look around.
How'd you get the helicopter then?
No, it's not mine. I was just kind of having a look around.
But how'd you get it though?
No, it's not mine. That's what I'm saying. It's just been sitting there, and I thought,
Are
well,
you FSA certified?
no, that's what I'm saying. You're not
Florida
listening
State.
to me.
You're
Hold
not
on.
Florida
You're
State
not.
administrated?
You're not listening to me. I
I
pulled
am
up.
listening. You're not listening to me.
No, you're not listening to me. I pulled up, and it was sitting here, and I
Hey,
was
you know a
having a
kid
look
named Jacob
around.
Brown?
All I did was have a look
Okay, well, you're
around.
not listening, so I'm just gonna drive
No,
away.
you're not listening to me. And there we go. He didn't want to have a talk. It's like some kind of chaos here. We got a helicopter. We've got the Indy car. And what looks like to be a Hellcat. And I'll tell you what. If this shit runs, I'm taking it. It's going to Hector. She got some bent up. Oh shit. What is going on here? I don't know. I'm just going to take this to Hector and try to... Oh shit. God almighty. But she is in such bad shape. Lord. Come on, just make it to the garage. Alright, there you go, Hector. Sorry, buddy, this one's not the best in the world. I mean, I had to do some modifications on the way, but I'll tell you what, she's got straps, and she is a Challenger, sorry, Challenger. Do what you can. hell? It should be worth at least a Honda or a Kawasaki. And nobody cares about their vehicles, and I'm just going to kind of keep stealing them. Just cruise through and see what else we can find. I'm just going to kind of go out here for a moment and good Lord. See what the hell is going on. Maybe they got him. There's enough LAO. I would hope so. There's all kind. Oh shit! There's still gunfire. What the hell? Oh, where this dude's going? What's happening? There's people getting blown up. There's a dude laying. Oh shit! There we go. All right. He's gonna cruise through. Shit. There's shots fired. Shit, there's somebody in the 24/7. Shit. Yeah, dude's running. Shit, there's some people down here. This dude's running around. I don't know what this guy's running around. He's fixing to fuck him up. Evidently he's down. This dude's down. Alright, he's back up. He's running. Got a helicopter somewhere. What the hell? What in the hell? Lord, he needs to learn how to fly. His shit is all messed up. Holy hell. We got dudes down, we got dudes up, or I don't know if this dude is alive or not. We still got shots fired. What the hell's going on? Holy hell. We got a dude coming in on a parachute. What the hell? Where you going, buddy? I'll tell you what, we're going. Just because. So we can find him. he go? Man, that was impressive. Where'd you go? Where the hell did that dude go? Shit, he came in on a parachute and he disappeared. The dude in the Crown Vic though. Oh, okay, maybe someone. Alright, there we go. He's getting help. I think. Oh, okay. He's back at it. He's going on. And then it's back to patrol life. Alright. All good. Shit, what the hell was that? Oh, damn. That bagger just ate shit. Good lord. I seen that shit.
You hear me?
I saw that, buddy.
Last time you couldn't hear me.
Yeah.
Yo, I have a
He stopped too soon. Yeah.
Helicopter.
You want to file a
Yeah,
claim?
just
I've
follow-
got
just
you,
follow me,
buddy.
just follow me, just follow me.
Yeah, he stopped too soon on you. I guess he don't care. Oh well. What is this? Oh, that's that hooked up car. Good lord, that car is... Shit. That thing is mashed more than a cat in a deep puddle. Lord, that pig don't need nothing but reviving. Well, that pig don't need nothing but repairing. That fucking helicopter. Oh. It's still sitting there. And I want it. I want that helicopter. Tell you what. Why not? I am a drunken hillbilly. And let's do it. Man, this pig is... Whew. She's not the fastest one in the world. Lord, she leans and oh shit. Sorry about that, buddy. I'll come back and fix your fence later. Oh, how you doing? Oh, shit, what the hell? There's a dude laying in the middle of the road. Good lord. Gotta see if this dude's alright. Damn, buddy, you okay? Can you talk? Alright, let me call 911 for you. Oh, how you doing there, officer?
I am not an officer. I've just been attacked so many times. I'm done with it.
Yeah, I mean, I just drove by and saw him laying there in the road and I thought I'd check on him.
Yeah.
Okay. He's all good.
Yeah. I just watch out for a guy named TERD because he will either hit you or shoot you.
Yeah, like I said, I was just checking on him. I'll go about my way.
Alrighty. So.
Have a good evening. Yeah. I was trying to be a nice guy even though I'm driving around in a stolen vehicle. Yeah. Yeah. Shit, here we go. We might have something else. Oh, look at this. What is this stuff? What is happening here? Tell you what, no. I may have to take this one to. Ain't nothing for me to pick up a shiny green Ferrari in the middle of the road. Take that shit to Hector. Yeah, I'm off with it. Lord, she's smoking now. She's still smoking, but that connection to the computer was loose, and I found it, and we're gonna go as far as we can. Hopefully we'll fix her up and find her a new one. It should be as good as new. And I'll make a little cash on the side. There you go, Hector. Well, that is she's smoking, but that's one pretty red car. Yeah. Send me the money on that one after you get done. Damn, Hector. You usually have me something sitting out here. I know I was kind of slacking. But damn, that's 4 vehicles tonight. I mean, shit fire. Surely that was good enough for... Let's see what's happening here. We got something else here. A little GT. Alright then. Here we go. So let's give this one a blast around the... Oh, what the hell, we got a taxi cab going the wrong way. What you doing there, buddy? And he's just... Oh, watch that box truck. Oh shit, that was a post. Damn, that was another post. Good lord. Shouldn't drive drunk. So, kind of be, let's be kind of calm here. See what's happening. Yeah, I blew that stop sign. Huh. Not at all. At least something going on. Ain't nobody around here. Shit. Yeah, hello. Crazy drunk man and smoking something there. Shit. Good lord. Oh. Damn, I backed into that shit, didn't I? Oh no, my shit's messed up. Oh, what the hell? Oh God, I done went into stupid mode. Good Lord, I can't get... Oh, get out of that shit. There we go. Oh, what the hell? These dudes ain't gonna help. Crazy ass green car. I can't get out of that shit. Get out of that shit. Good Lord. Alright, here we go. We're gonna try and way out of that shit. Let's see if we can... What in the hell? There's all kinds of stuff going on. I don't know what's happening. Got shots fired. We've got police here. We don't want no part of it. We just want to, yeah. Let's just go over and get on this motorcycle. Let's just kind of hang out for a minute. Good Lord, there is... What in the hell is going on? Shit. Tell you what, this damn Regal, if that shit runs, it's mine. Well, if I make it to Hector anyway. Shouldn't have drove that bright orange shit to a damn robbery. Hector and should have a little damage. Lowrider. Gotta love him. That was not bad. I'm not so good on signs and coordinates sometimes. Here we go. Alright. I mean, hell, look at that. Yeah. Hector's gonna love that shit. Look, he's still working on the Ferrari. Put this one in the paint booth. There you go, Hector, my friend. I don't know what else to say. So we're going... Yeah, no. I'm sorry, Hector. Smart car with flowers. Flowers or... Oh, she's even got a push card, but... Good Lord. No. You have went all wrong on this one. I mean, holy hell. We got flowers, we got blue rims, we've got matte paint. Good Lord. I don't even think I could actually even round her. Oh Lord, she's got the giant exhaust and the big wing. I mean, you know, it's front wheel drive. What do you think the big wing will do? Oh, wait. And there we go, people. Tonight's been a pretty good night. I think so, anyway. Shit, my thing is messed up here. Anyway, like I said, tonight's been a pretty good night. This thing behind me, I'm not gonna take it. I'm gonna go to my condo, get some sleep, and tomorrow's a new day.